Hi, first grader. A couple of days ago, we learned how to play the math flash game, but using number sentences. Let's play that game again today to get our brains ready for math. Okay, how many fingers are gonna be on this hand? Not gonna be any more, not gonna be any less than 5. I'm gonna flash a number. Let's say the number sentence. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now I'm gonna say it again. Now I'm gonna flash the number and I'm gonna wait for you to say the number sentence out loud. Don't feel silly. Getting the words out is great practice. It's what we would have done if you were here in my classroom. We all would have done it. Are you ready? Okay. 5 Okay, I'll do it again. I'm gonna flash the number again. So we know that 5, come on, say it. 5 equals 8. Remember, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do another one. I flashed that number. Okay. 5 equals 7. 5, 6, 7. So we know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job, first grader. Let's practice with one more. I'm not gonna help you this time. I wanna hear if you can do it. Ready? What's the number sentence? If you said 9, you are right. Give yourself a high five. Actually, give me a high five. Good job. Okay, first grader, keep practicing this game and you can play with your friends or your siblings or your parents or your guardians or whoever is with you. Have a great day. Welcome back, first grader. Are you ready to do our math journal today? Make sure you have your math journal and a pencil. Pause this video, go get those things, come back, and when you're ready, click start. You're back. Are you ready? Let's read our story for today. Jenny has 8 flowers in a vase. The flowers come in 2 different colors. Draw a picture to show what the vase of flowers might look like. Write a number sentence and a number bond to match your picture. I'm gonna read it one more time. Jenny has 8 flowers in her vase. The flowers come in 2 different colors. Draw a picture to show what the vase of flowers might look like. Write a number sentence and a number bond to show your picture. You can grab crayons to help you show 2 different colors, or you can make the flowers 2 different kinds. Draw a picture, write a number bond, and a number sentence to show your work. Click pause, do your work, and then I will see you when you get back. Are you back? Awesome. So our story said that Jenny has 8 flowers in her vase. So I'm gonna start by drawing a picture of a vase that has 8 flowers. So here's my vase and 8 flowers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me draw the flowers. Okay, here's my vase and it has 8 flowers in it. Now the story said that there were 2 different colors of flowers, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna circle the ones that are red and the rest will just be yellow in my story. So I'm gonna say that these 2 are red. So these are my flowers that are red. The rest of them, I'm gonna say are yellow. So the story asked us to make a number bond for this problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my number bond. In the hole, I'm gonna put the number 8 because that's how many flowers I have in all. I have 8 flowers in all. Now I need to see the 2 parts. I see my red part, which I circled, and then I see the rest, which is the other part. So I see red here. How many did I say that were red? 1, 2 are the ones I circled that were red. So 2 circles. So 2 goes in this part of the number bond. And how many are yellow? Well, let's count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 8 flowers, 2 of them are red, the rest are yellow. Let's write a number sentence. Remember, part plus part equals whole. And in my story, 2 plus 2, oh, my bad, oops. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Let's keep learning. All right, today we're gonna practice making 9. Now, there are 9 books on this bookshelf. Remember, whenever we're looking to make a number, we can look for 2 groups. So what 2 groups do you see? I see a top shelf and I see a bottom shelf. And just like yesterday, we're going to put this number for the first group and we're gonna do dots for the second group. We call these 5 groups because there's 5 groups on top and then however many more we count. So let's look at the top group. Let me go ahead and circle that top group. Here's the first group that I see. I see the top shelf. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 books. So let's write that number up top in the number card. Okay, so there's our number card. And how many books are on the bottom shelf? Remember, this is the second group that we found. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 on the bottom shelf. So let's write the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are doing numbers and dots because remember, we're practicing counting on. So let's make our number sentences that can go with this picture. Remember, the first group that we found was 5. So let's write 5 plus, how many more on the bottom? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equals, we'll count on to find out. What's another way that we can write this sentence? We could do the bottom shelf first. Bottom shelf, which was 4. So 4 plus, how many on the top shelf? Top shelf, 5, remember? 5 equals, and we're gonna count on to find it out. So let's count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna count on again. Remember, counting on is our strategy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 more equals 9, and 4 plus 5 more equal 9. Good, let's keep going. All right, let's think of another group here. We did top shelf and bottom shelf, and I think another group that I see are books that have pictures on the front and books that don't have pictures on the front. So let's circle our first group. I'm gonna make a circle here because look, this book has a picture on the front and this book has a picture on the front. So that was our first group we found. Let's put it in our number card. 2 books. And let's count the rest. So how many are in our second group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are in our second group, and let's make 5 groups, 5 group dots in order to show that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. So let's write our number sentences now. Remember, it's the first group, 2, plus the second group we found, which doesn't have pictures, 7, equals, and then we can make another sentence, just change the order. 7 plus 2 equals. And the strategy that we should use is counting on. So let's count on. Say it with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Let's fill in our number sentences. So I know that 2 plus 7 is 9, and I know that 7 plus 2 is 9. Let's keep going. Now we have our problem set. Remember, you're going to eventually do problem sets on your own, but for right now, until you get them, we're going to do them together. So the instructions say, circle 7. How many more does 7 need to make 9? So it gave us some answers. I know that there are 9 altogether. And I know that the first part is 7 because I'm going to circle 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay. So remember, this was 7. 7 is in our first part, which is why I wrote it here. And how many are left over? How many more do we need to make 9? 1, 2. The second part is 2. So we can make the number sentences. It could say 7 plus 2, or could say 2 plus 7. Let's keep going. Now the instructions say circle 4. Let's circle 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more does 4 need to make 9? So how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have our 2 groups. Remember, we're making 9, so 9 should go in the hole. Okay, and our first group that we found was this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first group will go in the top part of the number bond. And then how many did we find? How many more did we need to make 9? We needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more were needed to make 9. Now, friends, we can check this. Let's do a check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have 9 in all. Now let's make our number sentences. So 9 is made up of 4 and 5. So we could say 4 plus 5. 4 and 5 equal 9. Or we could say 9 is made up of 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 can equal 9. Let's do one more set. This says circle 3. How many more does 3 need to make 9? So we know we're starting with 9. And we're going to circle 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our first part. How many more do we need to make 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 more that we need to make 9. And what will our number sentences be? It could be 3 plus 6 equals 9, or just change the order. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Good job making 9 today.